crap!
Oh, yeah! Film! Oh, it's literally a battle of the two elements. Here's another one. It's good to know that we are looking at this from the other side of the river. Yeah.
I feel bad for Miss Williams now.
It should be north of her place.
Yeah, that's still pretty close.
It takes decades for ice arches to form, and they look absolutely mesmerizing. However, it's time for this arc to call it quits. Remember, the important thing is not to look them in the eye.
Can we stand up?
Oh, hi there. Whoa, I think spring came way too soon. Meet the unbreakable. Seriously? By the way, such gas caverns are quite rare.
incredibil. Deci este absolut incredibil. Este un nor imens.
Wow. Sailing down a river that's crawling with alligators and piranhas on a boat like that? You guys are daredevils.
Carai, será que eu comi a careia?
Angere, guarda che là c'è l'acqua sotto. Fiume.
Wow, look at the trees. Look at the trees. Oh my god. When he said hail, yeah. I have never in my life seen anything like this.
Look at all those jellyfish.
Oh, the wind. Be careful, that window's open. The windows are open, don't fall out.
Meet His Majesty Halo. I wonder what the weather forecast was for this day. Share your thoughts in the comments.
А там машины. Да. А там с той стороны машины. Главное, чтобы там никого не прибило.
Whoa, what is that?
Oh my god.
Yes, that's a crocodile, but look at that. It moves like a snake.
He didn't try to do anything.
Tornadoes in urban areas are rare. It looks very scary.
Oh my god. Oh my god, Ryan. Oh my god, we gotta get inside.
Look at all the boats right there.
Oh my god, this is so scary. This is literally my worst fear.
I'm so happy it's going away. Oh, just flip that road over!
can you possibly find water in the desert? Check this out. The water will find the way by itself. Seriously, these flash floods in a dry riverbed can hit in minutes. So if you're planning a little adventure, map out a route that steers clear of any trouble. This is literally a soil fault. Time to get out of here. The ferry ride feels calm and leisurely, but you never know what might happen out in the open water. Behold the power of nature. Check out these guys making waves in the sand, turning this dune into a giant organ. Nature is truly amazing. You won't believe what's going on in this canyon. Travelers are literally surrounded by static electricity.
Do it again.
Listen to this.
Wow. Hey, can you turn the boat to the right? Boom, look at that. Boom.
Closer than a quarter mile.
Wow, look at that pop up.
There's a shooter.
The sheer size of this big liner turned out to be a bit of a problem. When strong winds hit, it got thrown around like a toy, and no rope could keep it steady.
Oh! Kissing it. Oh! Connection, baby. Holy moly.
Antarctica is nothing but a snowy nightmare. Fierce blizzards and freezing temperatures make it a tough spot for explorers, so these guys deserve respect. Oh, yeah. That's what we all saw in Mad Max. Remember what happened next? Water is a force that should never be underestimated. There are plenty of crazy stunts out there, but this one is definitely among the top 10. If these guys were in The Lord of the Rings, the movie would be a lot shorter.
That is so scary. That is so scary. And listen to that pour over the mountain and come.
Whoa. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Beautiful vacation spots offer more than just crystal clear waters and white sandy beaches. They also come with serious natural challenges. Recently, a breathtaking meteor with a shimmering blue-green color flew across the skies of Portugal. It's a rare chance to catch something like that on camera. I'm no expert, but it feels like this river could use a bit more river. The eruption of an underwater volcano is a reminder that our planet is constantly alive and changing. It's amazing how nature can create such incredible phenomena. Bioluminescence looks like pure magic. This rare blue lava effect is caused by burning sulfur gases. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie.
That's so cool.
Sometimes it's best to admire the sea from a safe distance.
Guarda qua, ma come fanno a passare quelli lì?
Oh, this is awesome. I know, I've got the camera on it.
Oh my god, it's a
These images were filmed in Brisbane, Australia in 2014. It almost looked like nature wanted to wipe this city off the face of the earth.
Oh my god.
Oh, guys, we're gonna get some. Whoa! Get out of here!
Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up.
Back up!
No, the other way.
Jesus!
Woo! Wow. Woo! Crazy, eh? Yeehaw! Yee! Good, eh? That's probably the best stampede that I had. Yeah. Wow. Woo! Pase. It's really hot.
Hi, guys. Are there 2 or 3 of them?
There's definitely 2.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Should we move? Oh God, he's on the boat. Okay, maybe we should move.
I know, I want to, but I don't want to turn the engine on right now.
Oh my God, babe. Whoa. Okay, we gotta get out of here.
In 2019, a massive tornado rose over a rural area in Romania. The powerful air current sent huge clouds of dust hundreds of meters into the sky.
Mamă, ești nebun, trec la 30 de metri tăiat. Mamă, uite cum arată cerul.
finished.
Long distance, Mount Pinnacle, I can get it off.